Hello everyone, this is Yoshihiro Kirishima from NJS. Today, I'm going to talk about the quick installation and minimum maintenance of stress treatment system, namely DHS technology. I'd like to share the latest information of this technology with you. DHS is originally developed to treat effluent from UASB since 1995. This technology is very similar to trickling filter, and there is no need of external aeration. Therefore, as you can see this energy consumption graph, we can save the power of the treatment about 90% less compared to the conventional activated sludge process. Sludge can be maintained not only the surface, but also inside of the sponge. This causes very high concentration of sludge, longer SRT, and short HRT available, which means the compactness, and also it is very easy to maintain the plant. This right below photo is the biggest DHS plant in Agra, India, 16 meters diameter. Currently, a model project is ongoing in Kota Kinabalu, Malaysia, by special support of DBKK Kota Kinabalu City Hall and grant from Japanese Ministry of the Environment. Aims of this project is to improve water environment, to protect tourism resources, and to show easy maintenance and efficiency of the DHS system. There are several large-scale DHS plants in the world already: India, Japan, Egypt, Thailand, and Malaysia. This technology is definitely leveling up, but the way we passed so far was not so easy. For example, in India project, we faced a lot of difficulties of controlling the local contractor. Because of that, a lot of civil work got delayed, and it was also difficult to control the quality. Therefore, we applied container type of DHS to minimize civil work and construction period. In Kota Kinabalu project, as you can see right below photo, this type, we bring the container to the site and only connect pipes in each facility. The construction was carried out completely by remote without travel of Japanese engineers. Through this project, we found it is much easier to build the plant compared to the original type of DHS. This is a comparison between India project, orange color, and Kota Kinabalu project, blue color. India project is used original type of DHS, and Kota Kinabalu is used container type DHS. In India project, it took 17 months to finish civil and mechanical electrical works. However, in Kota Kinabalu project, it only took 18 days to finish construction work except for lockdown period. Of course, the scale is different, but we are confident that the scale up is only increasing number of the container. That is not much increase of the construction period. In this approach, we could dramatically save the time, and at the same time, we achieve the quality assurance. This is the actual construction status. 2 days for foundation arrangement, 2 days for installation of buffer tank, USB tank, and DHS reactor, 8 days for pipe works, 3 days for electrical cabling and panel setting, and 3 days for test run. We completed all the construction work only in 18 days. We just started the operation and microorganisms are still not grown, even though the final effluent from DHS is less than 5 mg per liter. good condition. We are gradually increasing the flow rate from 10 cubic meter per day to 30 cubic meter per day. The latest samples are like this. The DHS effluent is very clear. We will continue the operation for about 1 year. Hope we can report you our good result in the next time. That's all for my presentation today. So please feel free to contact us for the latest status or any request related to DHS system. Thank you for your kind attention.